Hey y'all, today we're going to talk about how to make a successful grocery list. I've been doing this for quite some time with this method of making a grocery list and works really well for us, and I wanted to come on and show you how we do it so maybe you can simplify your life and the mundane task of making a grocery list. The best part is it's simple. And this channel is all about simple. Mike and I don't like to complicate anything in our life, and we made this channel to show you how to live a simpler way and how to do the mundane daily things, daily life in a simpler manner. So that includes grocery shopping, which ironically Mike and I love to grocery shop. So whatever we can make to make it easier to shop is right up our alley. Best thing is you can do this in 3 easy steps. Now that doesn't count the fact that if you're budgeting for groceries, I will have another video on that. I'll show you how we budget. And I'll kind of give you a sneak peek of what we do with that today. But mostly it will be about the grocery list. So yeah, let's get started. Step 1 is make a list of meals that you want to have that week. So for time's sake of this video, I'm not making it a bajillion hours long for you, because no one wants to watch a bajillion hours of video. I have already written out, technically this is last week's grocery list. So you get to see what kind of what we ate and what we prepared. If you're interested in seeing how I cook bulk, I do all of our cooking in one day, because I don't have time, nor do I really want to spend hours a day cooking every day. I don't even want to cook every day. So, yeah. Anyway, I digress. So, again, step 1 is to make that list of meals that you want to have a week. I will show you mine right now. So right here we have the meals that we wanted to have. This would be a great opportunity to get your kids involved. Ask them what meals they want that coming week, especially for snacks. So we had soup, tacos, fish fried rice, or I had fish fried rice. It was yummy. Mike doesn't eat fish. Mike eats chili, chicken nuggets, we had salads, we had some ribs, meatloaf, and I cooked a whole chicken. So, as you can see, I just randomly listed things, and since it's only Mike and I, we when we go to the store, we pick out a fruit and a veggie, whatever's on sale. For our snacks, I'm a huge bell pepper fan, especially the red ones. I love red bell peppers. And so that's usually my snack every day. Or that, or cucumbers, or an orange. I ate an orange today. Love oranges. But usually it's a snack. Is whatever fruit and vegetables on sale. So we technically don't usually put that on there. But yeah, that's what we have for snack. And so step 2. Once you have the list and you've written down breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, what have you, you can do this as detailed or as not detailed as you want. So that's at your discretion. Step 2 is to figure out what ingredients you already have. So go around your house, go to your kitchen, go to your pantry. In the Mike and I's case, we have a storage room at this moment, and we store a lot of our dry goods in there. And so we go around our house and we figure out what ingredients to the meals that we want to eat that week we already have. And then the ingredients that we don't have, we write down on our grocery list. And yeah, that's how we do that. So I will show you our grocery list, and again, I wrote this down already. Technically, it was last week's. Here it is. Bananas, onions, tortilla chips, avocados, strawberries. So right here next to blueberries and strawberries, right there, there's an I, and that's Ibotta. Mike and I use Ibotta to get money back on the things that we're already going to be buying. I will talk to you about Ibotta in another video, but that's what that is. And then you go over here to this section over here where it says meat for. So instead of writing down like chicken or beef or whatever, we go to the store and we find whatever is on sale. So if that week chicken is on sale, then Mike's gonna have chicken chili or chicken tacos. If pork is on sale, then we're gonna have pork tacos and pork chili. So that's why that's there, and it's really helpful to remember we need meat for these things, what's on sale, what do I have a coupon for, what's on Ibotta, so I can look to see what I can get the best deal for. So there's that. And here is I also write this down every week, is our budget. So what we do, we take the amount of money, which is $260, that we're going to spend on us and our food. But we also have several friends who come over and stay the night, and we have one in particular friend that's always here, and he likes Gatorade. So we always have Gatorade available for him for when he comes over. So that's what that is. The $40 F&F is friends and family food. So yeah, that means that we have $40 a month to spend on our friends or family that come over, either spend the night or what have you, a meal that we want to have with them. And then I divide that 260 by 4, and I get 65. So Mike and I have the budget of $65 a week to spend on all of our meals, snacks, beverages, etc. But yeah, so in step number 3 is to staple them together. You see here I have them stapled together. And I put them in my purse. So I put these pieces of paper in my purse once they're finished. And maybe you're a guy and you don't have a purse. Well, just put them in like a very obvious place. When I didn't carry a purse, I used to tape them to our front door so I did not forget, even though sometimes I would still forget. Terrible. But yeah, don't forget your list. Like, that is the important, after you take all this time, I mean, it really only takes like 15 minutes to do, maybe. That is if you get advice from your spouse. I always ask Mike what he wants, but his answer is always tacos. I think that man could live off tacos and potatoes for the rest of his life and never eat anything else, and he'd be A-okay. But I need variety. Like I said in another video, variety is the key to a happy life. Also, another tip I have for you is to create a meal binder or meal document. And what I mean by that is you go to something like OpenOffice, which is free, Microsoft Word, something you can write in, and list the meal and all of its ingredients. It doesn't have to be specific, like you don't have to put a cup of onion or cup this, just onion, tomatoes, what have you. And so you have the name of the meal and then all the ingredients. And so when you're making your list, you can be like, oh, I have tomatoes. I don't need to buy any more tomatoes. Or I have onions. Or, hey, I have pork. This calls for pork. So, you know, that's a no-brainer. It makes the grocery list go so much faster. So much quicker. And we touched on this earlier. And step 2 is to shop your house. That's so important. So important to shop your house. If you already have something, then you don't need to buy more of it. I mean, if you're almost out of something, then that's another thing. Or if you go to the grocery store and something's on sale that you use regularly, then buy it. We'll talk about that in our budgeting video. But for now, those are the tips I have. Again, step 1, make a list of meals. Step 2, I gotta learn where my camera is. Step 2 is figure out the ingredients that you already have, shopping your house, and write down the ingredients that you need. And step 3 is to put them somewhere, put the list somewhere you won't forget. Take it to the store, use it, have a meal binder to help you out with this, and that's it. Super simple, super easy. I hope that you implement this into your grocery shopping, and I hope this helps. Some information and stuff helps you. If it does, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you thought. Alright, for now, I'm gonna get out of here and go eat some food. I'm hungry. Talking about all this good food that I had made me hungry. But yeah, let me know if you start writing grocery lists like this. And I will see you later. Have a great day.